A very good afternoon to one and all present here. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to the online Art and Poetry Fest, Strokes and Stanzas, for the year 2021.
The world could be burning with color, but what would reach the eye is black and gray. For until seen by an artist's eyes, every color in the universe is the same. The art of poetry cannot be learned. It's a skill some minds have acquired by birth. The ability to see far deeper than what is shown is poetry in its unbiased form.
Let us take you through this incredible journey of the merging of art and poetry into one. Strokes and Stanzas, started in 2019, was formerly known as Impressions, the art fest of Cambridge School Indrapuram, which was introduced in 2010. It is recognized as a major landmark for being the very first inter-school competition organized by CSI to promote co-curricular activities. Over the years, we have seen incredible participation and zeal for strokes and stanzas, where budding artists and young poets get a platform to express and showcase their creative abilities. It gives participants a chance to compete alongside many other students who are equally invested in their fields, and thus helps each child to improve their own skills as well. I would now like to invite our literary president, Anvesha Singhal, to talk about the transition from poetic raga to strokes and stanzas.
Thank you, Apeksha. Poetic Raga was the first poetry fest organized by Cambridge School Indrapuram back in 2016. Later, it was merged with Impressions, the annual art fest of Cambridge School Indrapuram, and together they formed Strokes and Stanzas, combining the two spheres of poetry and art in a way that each had its own essence, yet together still, they harmonized beautifully. Poetry is the language of the universe. While we may not be able to fully understand it at times, it is a way of life that surrounds us each day that we exist on this planet and slowly engulfs us into itself until it becomes as ubiquitous as the air we breathe. Something as simple as the sunflower turning towards the sun has poetry in it if seen by the right pair of eyes. Over the span of 5 years that our school has hosted the annual Poetry Fest, students have proven over and over again that no matter how the times change, poetry is here to stay. We have received the most beautifully written compositions and are grateful that we get the opportunity each year to witness more and more of the earth's magic, which reflects in its children. The way a bird chirps for the sun, the cricket sings for the moon. Dewy droplets of magic befallen each flower before it blooms. The earth has been an inspiration for poets and artists alike ever since Romanticism was discovered. Every form of art and poetry known to humankind started off as a means to portray the beauty in minuscule activities. Something as simple as the way the sun rises each day without fail, just to witness the beauty of the planet it shines upon. The way nature never lets us stay in darkness and sends the moon our way when at night the sun sleeps. The earth has always provided its children with inspiration for art and poetry, and we have admired her for it with every stroke of the paintbrush and every word, making up the stanzas of the poetry of life. This year, we are celebrating this beautiful bond between our planet and us through our annual Art and Poetry Fest, Strokes and Stanzas.
Our annual Art and Poetry Fest, Strokes and Stanzas, stands for the enhancement of visual and verbal expression. Our sole purpose here is to provide a platform to the students to showcase their wonderful artistic and creative abilities.
We are thankful that we have been given this opportunity to organize these events online despite adverse situations created by the pandemic. In all the distance this virus has created between human to human, it has invariably brought us closer to our Mother Earth. We are slowly starting to appreciate all of the small things about nature which we formerly neglected or took for granted. Now I invite our principal, Miss Hardeep Kaur, to kindly say a few words to the viewers.
Greetings to one and all. The earth has provided its children with boundless inspiration for art and poetry ever since the beginning of human existence. And we have admired her for it, with every stroke of the paintbrush and every word making up the stanzas of the poetry of life. This year, we are celebrating this beautiful bond between the planet and us and our art and philosophy through our fest here at Cambridge School Indirapuram. Strokes and Stanzas welcomes all budding artists and young poets with open arms and aims at providing a suitable platform for them to showcase their creative abilities. I wish all of you the best for the future and would urge you never to give up on this art which nature has bestowed upon us. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your enriching words. Now we would like to start the most awaited part of this program, that is, the felicitation ceremony.
Category 1, Creative Crafts. The first position has been awarded to Kirat Kaur, Jaspal Kaur Public School. The second position was secured by Bhavya Mehra, Army Public School, Delhi Cant. The third position has been bagged by Yashasvi Pal, Army Public School, Delhi Cant. Category 2, Poetry of Art. The first position has been secured by Meherjot Kaur of Jaspal Kaur Public School. The second position has been awarded to Harshita Joshi, Cambridge School, Noida. The third position has been bagged by Garima Jain, KIIT World School, Pitampura. Category 3, Visual Poetry. The first position has been awarded to Radhika Sharma, KIIT World School, Pitampura. The second position was secured by Krish Uniyal, Navy Children's School, Chanakyapuri. The third position has been bagged by Advaita Karthik Murthy, Navy Children's School, Chanakyapuri. Category 4, Plenty in 30. First position has been awarded to Ananya Aneja, KIIT World School, Pitampura. The second position was secured by Nandini Duhan, Navy Children's School, Chanakyapuri. The third position has been bagged by Puneet Yadav, Cambridge School, Srinivaspuri. Category 5, Advertisement. The first position has been awarded to Kalyani Upadhyayula, Navy Children's School, Chanakyapuri. The second position was secured by Trinity Bali, Navy Children's School, Chanakyapuri. The third position has been bagged by Mehak Gupta, VVDAV Public School, Vikaspuri. Category 6, Picks Tricks. The first position has been awarded to Ruchi Yadav, Navy Children's School, Chanakyapuri. The second position was secured by Katyayani Pant, Navy Children's School, Chanakyapuri. The third position has been bagged by Aradhya Paul, Cambridge School, Noida. We would like to congratulate all the participants and winners, along with everyone who made Strokes and Stanzas a success. We are thankful for the wonderful participation that we have received and would like to thank everyone who chose to be a part of our fest. Hopefully, it leaves you with something valuable to gain from the experience, and we hope you enjoyed participating in it as much as we enjoyed conducting. Once again, our heartiest thanks to everyone present.